Hi friend, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show a program to sort list of a string by length using the Java 8 Stream API and Lambda expression. So for example, if we have some sample input like apple, banana, kiwi, orange, grape. So we will get that sorted order by their length like kiwi, apple, grape, orange, banana. So friend, if you see here, so apple and grape are having that both the same character of the length, but getting that apple first because they're in the original list having that apple is the first, so that's why I got here apple. And if you see here grape is that after the apple, so that time we will get that in the sorted list after the apple after. Yeah, I open the IntelliJ and here I created a class, and in this class I just keep the class name is sort by a string length and giving that question number 28. So this the program number is 28, and in this program, so we need to run this class. So I will use here main method. So I'm just write it here public assertive void main, and now I'm going to create a list. So in this list case of the list, so I will use here, if you see that a string, so I will use here a string of list. So I will use here list of a string, and I will use here the reference name words, and I will use here arrays.hlist. In this list we need to pass the a string of that value, so I will use paste here args2. Now I'm going to import this list interface, so clicking here import class, and you can see here imported arrays and list, both are imported and both are belongs to util sub package. And now I'm going to create one more list of reference here, so we are going to keep it the same just string, and I will use here sorted word. And now I'm going to convert like a string of list to a stream, so I will use here a dot stream method, and in this stream method we are going to use here sorted. And now in this sorted method we need to check here, so we are going to pass with that lambda expression, so I will use here lambda expression. So I will use one a string 1 and a string 2, and then lambda expression, so I will use here custom compare. So I will use here like so compare. So now we are going to use here in this class, so yeah, so according to their ASCII value, so I will use here integer integer dot compare. Okay, this is the method, so I will use here compare, and now I'm going to pass here, so I will delete the extra code. And in this compare method we need to pass that length, so I will use here a string dot one, that means word dot one, and length. And so I will use here a string 2 dot their length. And after sorting we need to collect this, so I will use here collect, and in this collect method we need to collect that as a list, so I will use here, I used here collectors. Collectors is the predefined class, and in this class we will get that to list method. So now I'm just going to arrange this, so words dot stream, so I will arrange here words, and after that I just use here dot collect, so I will use here dot collect. And now after that process we will get that sorted word in that sorted string and sorted word. And now I'm going to print this, so I will use here system.out.println, so I will use here sys out, and I just print here sorted word. So I will just update that like sorted word by length, by their length or length. So I will use similarly here by length, so it will sounds good. And now I'm going to run this class, and now build started, and Hi friend, I got that result as a sample output, and thank you friend. And I will post the code in the Git repository, and I will mention that link in that description of this video. And thank you friend. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.